Alright, we've almost reached the end of our mini video series because there's only two more things I want to talk about. One of those things is the aforementioned F1 score. I always told you this represents the accuracy of the machine, but what happens if we actually click on the F1 score? So if we click on here, we get this little overview of what is running in the background, of how the machine works. So of course I'm not going into more technical details about it, as we pride ourselves that our tool can be used even by non-experts IT-wise. On the left-hand side, you see this little table. On the right-hand side, you see this graphical overview. The key takeaways here are, in the left-hand side within the table, you see all the data points with a little number on the right. If you're not satisfied with the amount of the number, so if the number is rather low, for example here in total it's only 0.8, and I want to reach a higher number in that sense of the accuracy of the machine, I can add more difficult documents regarding the data point total to the training set, and thus increasing this likelihood and the accuracy of the machine when reading out the total in other documents to come. On the right-hand side, in this graphical overview, you see each step-by-step learning process of the machine. So the first document comes in, there's a very steep learning curve. All right, the machine realizes this is what I need to do. And here you see, for example, the learning curve went down a bit because I added a rather difficult document. But important here to know is that towards the end, you want to have a more saturated, leveled view of these graphs towards the top. So you see here the top of 1.0 of the F1 score, and you want to have it leveled at this point where you feel confident that this is what you want from the machine. If this is not as high as you want, you can always add more documents to the training ground, and thus this will rise and keep rising towards the usefulness for the machine, that the machine is accurate enough to read out all the data points you want from all the documents you will upload.